Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a new way to measure the lens, which is a new way and more accurate than just using your phone app. It's called the H10B. It works with the app called the Measurement Assistant, and the error is less than 1%.
If you're measuring farmland, it's great for area measurement, distance checking, and recording waypoints. And for engineering users, it supports waypoint collection, navigation, and even stakeout for construction work.
First, plug the H10B into your phone. It uses a Type-C port. After plugging it, it will connect automatically via Bluetooth, and just wait a few seconds, it will be ready. Then we need to flip the phone upside down like this. And this step is quite important. This is because we need to make the H10B face to the antenna, which gets a better signal. Don't worry, and if you're doing this, this screen will flip automatically. Okay, after we plug it, we can look at the top right. There are three icons. The first means the H10B is connected to your phone, and the second one is your phone's Bluetooth is open. And the third icon means your phone is getting signal. One interesting is as long as your phone's Bluetooth is connected, if your H10B is unplugged for a while, like you drop it on the ground, it can still work for a while, like several minutes. Actually, the device has several measurement modes, and today I'm going to show you the first one is the normal rear measurement. We can see the top right of the screen, and you can see the HDOP is less than 1 point, like 0.5, and you can start to your measurement. Okay, we can set up the parameters, and the first stop is the 0 degree, second price is 5 USD, and the unit is the square meters. And we press use, and let's start. Start, then walk around the lens. Now we finished our measurement. Let's press save and save the data. And we can press start and then press real record. See the real data is here, and when we press it, we can see the whole situation is here, real, and the square meters and the prices. You can manage them, and the data into the computer is also okay. We will make more videos about H10B and show its more function. And if you are interested in this product, please leave comments below and follow up. See you next time.